till paying mechanics for things you could fix or even unlock yourself? You might be missing out on what your car can really do. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to diagnose problems, unlock hidden features, and even perform ECU coding from your own garage, you're in the right place. Number 1. The Launch X431 CRP 919 XBT. Right out of the box, this tool stands out with its wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to diagnose vehicles without being limited by cables. It comes with a powerful Android-based system, fast processor, and smooth performance for real-time diagnostics. Performance is where this scanner truly shines. It offers full system diagnostics, meaning it can scan everything from the engine and transmission to ABS, airbags, and more. You can read and clear codes, view live data, and perform deep system analysis. One of the biggest highlights is bidirectional control, also known as active testing. This allows you to send commands to your vehicle, like testing components, making it ideal for mechanics and advanced DIY users. You also get ECU coding and over 30+ service reset functions, including oil reset, throttle adaptation, injector coding, and more. Plus, support for CAN-FD and DUI-IP protocols ensures compatibility with newer vehicles. With 2 years of free updates, wide vehicle coverage, and professional-level features, this scanner is built for serious automotive work. So, is the Launch X431 CRP 919 XBT the best mid-range professional diagnostic tool for your garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 2. The ThinkScan 689 OBD2 Scanner. Built by ThinkCar, this scanner is designed for both DIY users and professional mechanics who need advanced features at a reasonable price. Right out of the box, the ThinkScan 689 offers full system diagnostics, allowing you to scan engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. You can read and clear codes, view live data, and monitor your vehicle's health in real time. One of its biggest highlights is bidirectional control. This means you can send commands to your vehicle, like activating components for testing, making troubleshooting faster and more accurate. The scanner also supports 30+ maintenance services, including oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, and throttle relearn. That's a huge advantage for both home users and workshops. Performance is smooth thanks to its built-in system and responsive interface. Plus, it supports modern protocols like CAN-FD, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicles. So, is the ThinkScan 689 the best value bidirectional OBD2 scanner for your garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 3. The Mucar V8 Diagnostic Tool. Right out of the box, this scanner is built for serious users. It offers OE-level full system diagnostics, meaning it can scan everything engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more, giving you complete control over your vehicle's health. One of the biggest highlights is its bidirectional control with over 3,000 active tests. This allows you to send commands directly to your vehicle, helping you test components like fuel injectors, windows, and cooling fans without disassembly. It also features advanced ECU coding, letting you reprogram modules, activate hidden features, and customize vehicle settings, something usually found in high-end tools. You also get 34+ maintenance functions, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, TPMS reset, and more, making it perfect for both mechanics and advanced DIY users. The hardware is impressive too, with a large touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and a powerful 9,450 mAh battery for long working hours. So, is the Mucar V8 the best professional diagnostic scanner for your garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 4. The iCarsoft CRM Max. Right out of the box, this scanner delivers OE-level full system diagnostics, meaning it can scan everything engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, and more, giving you complete control over your vehicle's health. One of the biggest highlights is its bidirectional control, also known as active testing. This allows you to send commands directly to your car, like activating components, making troubleshooting faster and more accurate. The CRM Max also supports 40+ service functions, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, injector coding, DPF regeneration, and throttle relearn, perfect for both DIY users and professional mechanics. It features a 7-inch touchscreen tablet powered by Android with AutoVin technology that automatically detects your vehicle for quick diagnostics. You also get lifetime free updates, Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for modern protocols like CAN-FD, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicles. So, is the iCarsoft CRM Max 2025 the best mid-range professional scanner for your garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 5. The Topdon ArtiDiag Pro. Right out of the box, this scanner delivers full system diagnostics, allowing you to scan everything: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, and more across 70+ vehicle brands. It's designed for both mechanics and serious DIY users. One of its biggest highlights is bidirectional control, which lets you send commands directly to your vehicle. That means you can test components like fuel injectors, windows, and cooling systems, making troubleshooting faster and more accurate. You also get ECU coding capabilities, allowing you to unlock hidden features, customize settings, and program replacement modules, something usually found in high-end diagnostic tools. The ArtiDiag Pro includes 35+ maintenance functions, such as oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, and DPF regeneration, helping you handle most repair tasks easily. With a 7-inch touchscreen, Android system, AutoVin, and up to 14 hours of battery life, it's built for smooth, professional use. So, is the Topdon ArtiDiag Pro the best mid-range diagnostic scanner for your garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money.